stop, 9.64, change the speed at 10.64, Warsaw stop,
What is this?
AK South Street line.
Left or right?
Left.
Left?
Yeah, but it says Oak Road.
Yeah.
Well, it can't be that one. No, it's a right for Oak Road. Sorry, that was
This is
Cedar
it here.
Crossroad. This is Oak Road?
Yeah.
This is it. Road, right. Oak Road to County Road 4. An hour. County Road 4, AK English 9, whatever the hell that means.
This is a good one here, watch. Have we been through here already?
Well, probably.
This is the one where you gotta flick it. Remember?
Yeah. Yeah, your back end's going. Checkpoint!
Hey, weren't we here before?
Oh, we'd be surprised. We go around everywhere. Don't go in the ditch.